Beryl is currently severely impacting Jamaica as a Category 4 hurricane. Where will it track as it nears the Gulf? For more like this, please consider subscribing with notifications on so you never miss an update like this. Hurricane Beryl is currently grazing the southern coast of Jamaica as a Category 4 storm. The southern coast, including Kingston, is likely experiencing the brunt of the storm with devastating winds causing potential damage to infrastructure and buildings. Also, significant storm surge with water levels rising is leading to flooding in coastal areas. Heavy rainfall is also occurring, threatening flash floods and mudslides, especially in mountainous regions. If you are in Jamaica, please stay indoors and follow the instructions of local authorities. Avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Monitor weather reports for updates. If you experience flooding, evacuate to higher ground if possible. Looking further ahead, the storm is expected to move away from Jamaica soon, but the aftereffects will continue. Be prepared for potential power outages, water disruptions, and road closures. Hurricane Beryl is forecast to make landfall on the Yucatan Peninsula early Friday morning. A hurricane warning is in effect for parts of the Yucatan Peninsula, including areas from the Belize border to Cozumel. Beryl is expected to weaken somewhat due to land interaction, but it will still likely be a Category 1 or 2 hurricane at landfall. This means residents should be prepared for damaging winds with gusts around 100 miles per hour. Flooding is also a major threat, with storm surge of 3 to 5 feet expected within the hurricane warning area. Areas near the coast, particularly on the eastern side where onshore winds will be strongest, are most at risk. Rainfall of 2 to 6 inches is forecast, with localized amounts up to 8 inches possible. This can lead to flash flooding and mudslides. There's significant uncertainty regarding Hurricane Beryl's path after impacting the Yucatan Peninsula. Here's what we know at the moment. Based on the current track, Beryl is expected to weaken to a tropical storm or minimal hurricane as it interacts with land. Forecast models show a wide range of possibilities for Beryl's track in the Gulf. Here are some potential scenarios. Beryl could take a northwestward turn and head towards Texas. Or Beryl might follow a more westerly path and impact eastern Mexico. There's also a possibility it could dissipate entirely. Regardless of its exact path, Beryl could still bring impacts to the Gulf Coast, including tropical storm force winds and heavy rain, with storm surge along the coast depending on the specific track. Beryl is expected to weaken to a tropical storm or minimal hurricane as it interacts with land after the Yucatan. But with the warm waters of the Gulf, anything could happen. For now, we will have to wait and see where Beryl goes. I'll keep you updated on the latest developments. That's all I have for you today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications enabled so you don't miss any of these updates. For more on tropical weather, check out Tropical Weather Tracker, a website I co-own to keep you informed about tropical cyclones. A link will be left at the top of the description. Stay safe, see you soon.